Welcome everyone back to our class. Oh, you are really study hard. Ever heard of a protein that's both your body's superhero and its worst enemy? Meet IL-17. It's been around since the mid-90s, but we're only now really understanding its wild personality. So, who is this IL-17 character? It's primarily produced by these specialized T cells called 17s. Think of them as the special forces of your immune system. But it's not just them. Other cells like gamma-delta T cells, natural killer cells, even fibroblasts in tumors get in on the action. Where do you find it hanging out? Everywhere things are getting interesting. Lungs, skin, gut, your front lines against the world. And when things go wrong, like an arthritis or psoriasis, IL-17 is right there at the party, often causing the mess. It's like the troublemaker who shows up exactly where you don't want it. Now, what does this troublemaker actually do? Its main gig is pro-inflammatory. It's like the fire alarm for your immune system screaming for help when invaders like bacteria try to sneak in. It calls in the neutrophils, the first responders, and ramps up defenses. That's its superpower, but here's the twist: it's also a double-edged sword. When it's doing its job, it protects you. But crank it up too high and boom, you've got chronic inflammation like in psoriasis, or worse, it starts attacking your own tissues, leading to autoimmune diseases. It's like that friend who's great until they start a party fight. It's all about balance, folks. Okay, so how does this protein actually work its magic or mischief? It uses specific docking stations called receptors IL-17Ra through Re. The main players, IL-17A and F, love to bind to Ra and Rc, kicking off a massive inflammatory response via pathways like NF-kappa B. Think of it as sending urgent signals downstream, releasing cytokines like IL-6 and TNF-alpha. It can also use the PI3K, ACT pathway, which, in some contexts like gliomas, helps tumors grow. And the MAPK pathway, that one makes things break down faster. It's all about precise signaling, the wrong receptor or pathway activated, and the whole system goes haywire. Pretty complex wiring, huh? So what does all this mean for us? Well, IL-17 is deeply involved in many diseases. Too much of it fuels autoimmune conditions like psoriasis and rheumatoid arthritis. It plays a role in infections and even cancer. But here's the cool part: because we understand it so well, we can target it. Drugs like secukinumab directly block IL-17A, and they've revolutionized treatment for psoriasis. Measuring IL-17 levels can even tell doctors how active a disease is. It's a prime example of turning a biological puzzle into a therapeutic win. The story of IL-17 is far from over, but it's definitely a fascinating chapter in immunology.